Alright, I am continuing to run out the clock on my reservation so I can catch up on work. But in the meantime, here is what I am snacking on this morning. I have a cream latte. They were buy one, get one free at the CU convenience store. So the clerk encouraged me to pick up the second. And then I have a milk fresh cream talk. So it's essentially a milk mochi, which I know sounds really wild. Here you go. Check that out. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, that's really good. Check out the inside. It's like fluffy, creamy, not super sweet, chewy talk outside. This is cool. This might end up being one of my new favorite snacks while I'm here. Checkout's in 2 hours, so after that I am going to head out, find a locker at the train station where my new place is, and then just settle in the area. Shout out one more time to the voco Seoul Gangnam. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, but this was such a lovely hotel. I'll definitely be staying here again. Check the description to learn more about the Chase IHG card to help me stay here for free. Oh god, y'all. The wind chill is 17 degrees Fahrenheit and there's 10-mile-an-hour winds. This app is called T-Locker. It helps you locate, reserve, and pay for lockers in train stations and other areas. It was very easy to use and understand, and you can pay with Visa. When I need to remove my items, the T-Locker app will generate a one-time code. Since I have some time until I can get to my next place, I'm off to explore Seoul Station and the surrounding area. This is Seoul Station. And it's massive. So what is there to do around Seoul Station? Let's find out. First up, lunch. I just got conveyor belt sushi at Seoul Station, and the experience was, the best way I can describe the experience was like going to Moe's. Like every few seconds, I feel like they were just yelling. It was a very Moe's type experience, but it was delicious. I've been falling on a budget, having like $3 lunches so far. The wind is stabbing me like 1,000 tiny needles, and it is completely draining my ability to enjoy myself today. So right outside of Seoul Station, the back exit of Seoul Station, there's this giant interactive art exhibit that was installed after 2016 when the city decided to make Seoul an art museum. And it's called Yunseul. It apparently means ripples that shine in sunlight or moonlight. And it is like an in-ground, mirror-based exhibit. I think what I'm most excited about is escaping the wind for a few minutes. So let's see what this is all about. I feel like I'm at the bottom of a pool. God, it feels amazing down here. There's like zero wind. This area is called Seoullo 7017, also known as Seoul Sky Garden. It's a former highway overpass turned linear park behind Seoul Station with greenery, resting rooms, and art installations. It's so nice in here. Let's go see what this Docking Seoul public art platform's all about. This thing's gotta be insane in the rain. This place is so wild. It's basically like a reclaimed parking structure. I love it. Like what's even happening? If you're just waiting on a train, have a couple of hours to kill, think about going to see a public art exhibit in the Seoul Station area, just like this one. Time to go check into today's hotel, to go back to the original train station where I dropped off my luggage, go pick it up, and then get myself over there, check in, get some laundry done. Look at it again. Whew. So many stairs. I really hope that works. When you're traveling on a budget, you may find yourself staying in strange places. This peculiar loft is no exception. But hey, it was only $45 and it had a washing machine. This is why I always bring detergent sheets and this clothesline with me. Check that out in my gear link in the description. Good morning. Must be grand. Must be grounded. Well, last night was weird. Turns out the heat didn't work. Shout out to my in-laws for the rechargeable hand warmer I got for Christmas. It really came through. I have to be out of here in half an hour. And then I can drop off my luggage with them. Let's figure out what I'm doing today. God, I'm so hard. I'm gonna finish up here, get dressed, and then we can head out. I still have 3 hours to kill before I can check into this particular hotel. Fortunately, this place is also a mall. Thanks, Korea. If you're having trouble finding cutlery, check the table for a cutlery drawer. You know what they say, katsu is love, katsu is life. Next up, more work while I wait for my colleagues to arrive. I posted up at a tea shop and enjoyed cinnamon tea and grilled rice cakes topped with honey.
Select a locker number.
Alright y'all, I just got to my new room at the 9 Tree Premier in Sedong. See what this view is about. Woo! Little temple. Hello. Hey mountain. What is up? Okay. After a brief existential crisis, I was ready to spend the next few days around my colleagues. Time to go meet my group for a late night snack. All right, y'all, after a late night snack of like fried food and makgeolli, I am getting ready for bed. I have a video to put out tomorrow that I'm not as done with as I should be. So I need to get to bed early so I can wake up early and finish that before I head out for the day for my conference. So I'll see y'all later. Burning through the city of light.
my mind. We're burning through the city of lights. You're the sunshine on my mind. We're burning through the city of lights.